Next we are discussing length of angle bisector. So we have a triangle. This triangle is what? ABC. Bisector of angle is what? AD. AD is what? Angle bisector of angle E. So this is what? A by 2 and this is A by 2. So here we have to find out AD. So now मैं find करना है AB. Okay. So according to this triangle, this side is what? A, this side is B and this side is what? C. Okay. तो यहाँ पर हम बोल सकते हैं that area of triangle ABC. Okay, area of triangle ABC. This full triangle equal to area of triangle ABD plus area of triangle ABC. We can say that area of triangle ABD plus area of triangle ADC. This is full area. Okay, so full area we can divide into two parts. One is what? Area of triangle ABD and other is what? Area of triangle ADC. So first we are finding area of triangle ABD. We know this side and we know this side. This side is what? AD, that we have to find out. And angle between these two sides is what? A by 2. So here we can use formula 1 by 2. This side is what? C and this side is what? AD. C into AD into sine of angle between these two sides is what? A by 2. So sine of A by 2 plus next is what? Area of triangle ADC. So this side is B and this side is what? AD and angle between these two sides is what? A by 2. So here also same formula will come 1 by 2 B into AD into sine of A by 2. This will come. Okay, area of triangle ABC we are taking delta. तो यहाँ से क्या रहेगा? डेल्टा इक्वल टू 1 by 2 AD sin A by 2 we are taking common. Remaining is what? Here remaining is what? C and here remaining is what? B. So what will come? C plus B. तो यहाँ से क्या रहेगा? AD equal to 2 will come in multiplication 2 delta divided by B plus C into sine of A by 2. So this is the length of AD. Similarly, we can find out B. Okay, this is B, and similarly we can find out CF. Okay, so AD is what? 2 delta divided by B plus C. Okay, so we want to find out this one. Okay, so what we are doing for AD? What we are doing? 2 delta as it is B plus C. Okay, this angle is what? We are bisecting this angle. So B plus C into sine of half of this angle. Similarly, if you want to find a B, so what will come? 2 delta as it is. B we want this one. You can see that this angle we are bisecting. So this one and this one. So this is what? B by 2. So we have to add A plus C. A plus C into sine of this angle B by 2. Similarly, if you want CF, so CF equal to what? 2 delta divided by this is what? Angle bisector, this one. So 2 delta divided by what will come? B plus A. B plus A into sine of C by 2. Because this angle is what? C by 2. So sine of C by 2. So like that we can find out bisector of angles.